What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we're checking out a knife from TRM. TRM sent me two knives for me to check out with you guys. We just looked at the Holy Nerd. That is this guy right here. Check out the unboxing on this one if you haven't already. Beautiful milling on the handle, titanium, and a awesome sheep's foot reverse tanto stone wash magna cut blade. So this one is already in my pocket, you already know, but we're about to check out what this guy is all about. Of course, this knife and every other knife you see in this video will be linked down below if you guys want to check out prices, details, availability, etc. So we got the customer appreciation monthly drawing. Check that out for more details. Please do not oil me too much. All right, so definitely don't over oil your knife. They actually come pretty oil, I'll tell you that right now from my Holy Nerd experience. And here is the knife itself. That's gonna look pretty epic right there. And yeah, very nice and cushiony case, so you know your knife is gonna definitely arrive in top-notch condition, no doubt about it. We're gonna go ahead and get this out of the way because we have a knife to focus on. It is nice and sealed, extremely sharp handle with care. Gonna break that seal and check this guy out. Holy smokes! Now this one has the Damtanium, right? I believe it's called. It's like Damascus titanium. Is that what's going on here? Right? Do we have titanium liners inside? Is that what is? What is it? Is that what it is? Damtanium. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Damtanium Camo Carbon 3D. All right, so that is interesting. Definitely looking pretty epic there, especially when the light hits it. Give you guys a closer look. We got some pops of purple there, a little bit of blue, right, with the carbon fiber. That's looking wild. Oh man, that is looking good. Blue and purple combo. Yeah, and then the same thing on the other side. Yeah, absolutely. Sign me up. We got a deep pocket carry clip. Well, that's just what the doctor ordered right there. That's looking pretty epic as well. And I believe this one is, yeah, absolutely titanium there. No pull from the liners. You would think, right, the inside, I would get pull here, but no, I'm getting actually pull from the blade there. But I'm willing to bet the inside, these liners that we can see on the inside are titanium. We got some thumb studs here for thumb stud deployment. No back flipper, no front flipper. That blade is actually very, very slim. So that's going to look pretty epic right there. Let's go ahead and almost miss the back spacer there. It's nice and jimp. It kind of looks like it's also carbon fiber as well. You guys take a closer look at that. Yeah, let's go ahead and get the deployment going here. If you guys are ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Bam! We got these interesting thumb studs, right? Take a closer look. They are definitely different compared to other thumb studs that I've seen. And so far, they actually feel pretty comfortable to use, I'll tell you that. So that thumb deployment there felt pretty good. We do have a liner here with some good jimping on it, if you would, with good access from the show side. So very easy to disengage there, right? Check out the lockup right there. That would say maybe about 20, 25, 30% of the way in, if you would. And let's see, it is, yeah, this one's going to be on washers, just like the Holy Nerd over there that we looked at. And bam, there we go. Yeah, that feels very nice and satisfying to deploy there. Checking out the detent situation there. Yeah, good detent. Nice tune to it, right? Not too crazy, not too soft. And in case you're wondering, that reverse flick, let's see. There we go. I just had to kind of tune it there a little bit. I'm using the meat of my middle finger, of course. I feel like that's about the only way. You do get a little bit of extra access to the thumb stud on the show side. Not so much on the non-show side, so definitely requires a little bit more finessing right there, if you would, but I'm able to get it working. And so far, man, for a, for washers instead of ball bearings, it's a little bit of a shake shutter, but you don't have to shake it too much, right? Kind of calibrate a good shake, and boom. Nice shot action there. Good alignment on that blade, and man, that's got to be one very thin blade, right? First of all, that is a beautiful sort of drop point looking blade, if you ask me. Love the flat grind on there. Stone wash finish, and of course everyone's favorite premium steel these days, Magna Cut, right? So made in good old US of A, good old Magna Cut steel, right? Gotta love that. Looking pretty good. Got a good tip there, right? These things are sharp. We're gonna do our scientific cutting test in just a moment. And I mean, if I had to really get nerdy with it, right? Let me give you a good blade stock thickness right here, right off the bat. We're gonna zero out, and look at this. 0.09 there on the blade thickness. That's looking pretty good, very slicey. Even the handle, right? The handle is going to be very thin as well, 0.38. The usual average in the channel is 0.5 or half an inch. And checking out the ergos, right? Ergos feel pretty good. Pretty good. Pocket clip is comfortable. Only thing that kind of looks maybe a little bit odd is how much the pocket clip sticks from the handle. Maybe if it was a little bit closer to the handle itself. But honestly though, as I'm squeezing hard, I do feel the pocket clip. It's not uncomfortable. Give it a good 9, 9.5 out of 10 right there. So I can actually forward choke very close to the blade. Can have a little section right there to forward choke, or I can do the hammer grip. Either way, I'm definitely going to get a full purchase. So that's looking pretty epic, looking pretty nice. Pocket clip is deep carry, but not reversible. All right, something to keep in mind there. And yes, let's go ahead and do some size comparisons on this bad boy here. Right next to the titanium nerd, right? The milling on this thing is just absolutely epic. Also a magnet cut. Check out the unboxing for more details. That is absolutely rad. And you can see the Neutron and the nerd right there. Quite a size difference, no doubt about it. Definitely carries that Three Rivers Manufacturing design DNA. Well, you can tell they're from the same company, no doubt about it. Also made in the good old US of A, there is the Microtech MSI. Here is the stitch. Right, those are going to be much bigger, nice, right? No doubt about it. Also made in the good old US of A, there's the PM2 and the Para 3. So it's a Para 3 size, not quite, still a little bit shorter than the Para 3. You guys take a look there. So that means it's going to be a little bit shorter than the Demko AD 20.5, and it sure is, just a hair. Here's the Nano Shark. Definitely going to be much bigger than that one, no doubt about that. And then on the more budget end of things, we got the Tenable Fenrir right there. Here's the CJRB Pyrite Light. It's going to be a little bit shorter than both of those. And again, all these are linked down below if you guys want to check prices, availability, variants. I also have content on all these knives. Last but not least, there's the Fintiso Parrot and the Vosteed Corgi. So very comparable, although just a hair shorter than the Corgi, a little bit shorter than the Parrot. So just to give you a ballpark, hopefully you own some of those knives. Again, links for all those knives down below. But yeah, magnet cut. This thing is actually, I want to say, just as slim on the blade there as the Nerd. So yeah, they make very slim blades. You know, these are going to be very, very slicey, right? So in our scientific cutting tests, right, we're going to go ahead and give it a go here with a piece of textbook paper. If you guys are ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Oh yeah, definitely going to cut to that paper. No doubt about it. And let's just get some full slices. Oh yes. Yep, absolutely. All day, every day. Magna cum laude. Like Knife Dope will say. Putting in some work. And we got a piece of cardboard right here. This one is dual wall cardboard, so should be a little bit more of a challenge. Remember, when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular but at an angle. So it's going to look something like this. Got my forward choke position, and it don't matter if it's dual wall. Still going to go through that cardboard pretty nicely. Bam, boom, bam. That is crazy, guys. So that is pretty sweet. You guys rate this thing on a scale from 1 through 10. How sharp is this knife? Rate this edge. Right? Definitely let me know. Well, there you guys have it. That is the Neutron 2 from Three Rivers Manufacturer, made in the good old US of A. Magna cut steel with the awesome carbon fiber here with the blue, the purple going on. Titanium liners on the inside. Titanium pocket clip with the works, right? Liner lock on not ball bearings, but washers. So that is also, I mean, it really depends on you personally. So there's pros and cons to washers over ball bearings. You get a more drop shotty action with ball bearings, but you also get a more clean and functioning pivot with washers, right? So there's less gunk, less pocket lint and whatnot that will get in the pivot when you have washers. When you have ball bearings, you know, you could have a little bit more of that get into the ball bearings and whatnot. So that's just a little bit of a trade-off there. It also gives you a very slim design. Like the handle itself is very slim. The blade is very slim. So definitely digging this one, making a first impression here in the channel. You guys know about how these videos go, right? I share with you my raw first impressions on these knives, then I carry them, I gather as much feedback as I possibly can, and then I drop a comprehensive review video here to share with you all. So if you're not yet subscribed, this will be a great time to do so. I promise you'll be worth coming back for more. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It will really help this video get pushed to a larger audience. This knife and every other knife you saw in this video will be linked down below. So definitely check it out. It does help out the channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you and at zero extra cost. Guys, let me know your thoughts on this one. What do you like about this one? What do you love? What do you maybe dislike? I don't know. I would like to hear feedback from you. your thoughts, questions, concerns. Just hang out in the comment section down there. Shout out to TRM for sending this one in for me to share with you guys. And also, shout out to my Patreon supporters and channel members for supporting what I do here. You guys are awesome. Really appreciate each and every single one of you. If you made it to this part in the video, at the end, guys, you're awesome. You're the real MVP. Thank you for your love and support. Check out that video to the left that I recommend, or this video to the right that YouTube recommends. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next video, either this one or this one. Peace!